Hey guys, it's Video Game Review, aka VGR, back at it with the Touch Nature Challenge, suggested by my Connecticut ally, RockinJack. And if you're wondering why the grass is so long, my uncle hasn't cut it in like 4 years. He comes by and cut it every like 5 weeks. Anyway, I'm gonna check out this radical bamboo. I really like it. It's pretty exotic. There it is. I touched it. Alright. Thank you for watching. I nominate the G, Zach207, and Zombie SMO to try the Touch Nature Challenge for themselves. And yeah.